Hi, hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. The other day we have completed the bits, number of bits till 9:30. Today we are going to see another 10 important bits, very important questions from your AMA examination point of view. In the today's video we are going to discuss about mainly about the differential and then certain mechanisms, as also this axles like floating axles, non-floating axles, then your etc. Okay, so these are very important because actually the operation of the your automobile depends upon various all these things. Okay, so like we are going to discuss all these questions. So now my really I am surprised. So why are you thinking, why are you dilly dallying? Okay, so let the notifications come or not. If you are prepared by the time the notifications come, always remember, fortunes always favors the brave. So don't worry about the notifications. If they come, they come. If they don't come, they will come later. If they come later, you should be in a position to take up the exam with confidence. Yes or no, right? Because this examination is it is having lot of syllabus. APPSC having lot of syllabus, and as also TSPSC also. So you have to prepare for two examinations, so two papers, right? One is the GS and other one is the your AMV, that your automobile engineering, right? So a lot of syllabus is there. So don't delay the decision. Okay, don't delay the decision. Take the decision immediately. Fast, be fast. Okay, so this word belongs to the people who are very faster. Okay, right. So let us jump into the questions. Which of the following relations of the universal joint is correct among the following with usual notations? Which is the correct notations? Is it cos theta is equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha, or cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square 2 alpha by 2 minus sin square 2 alpha, or is it cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 1 minus cos square alpha, and is it cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha? Here the answer is actually cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha. Your answer is D. Okay boys, let us mark the answer, right? Next, the differential carries a spider if dash planet pillions are employed on it. What is the blank? Is it 2, or is it 3, or is it 0, or is it 4? Actually the answer is 4. That means there has to be 4 pinions, planet pillions, for the differential to carry a spider. Next question. The differential carries a cross pin if dash planet pillions are employed. Now this is, earlier question was spider, now it is asking the cross pin. So when a differential carries a cross pin, how many planet pillions are should be there? Is it no, or is it 0, or 1, or 2, or 3? So here the answer is 2. Your answer is C. Next question boys. With reference to the half shaft, the crown wheel is, this is a good question. So how the crown wheel behaves? Is it free to rotate on them, or is it fixed in its position, or is it made to vibrate slowly, or is it none of these? It is actually free to rotate on them. So with reference to the half shafts, the crown wheel is free to rotate on the half shafts. The answer is B. Next question. When the wheel takes a right turn with n rpm, if n is the rotation of the left sun gear, the difference in the resultant speed of the left and right wheels is equal to. So here the answer is 2n. So you know that what is n? So we have already seen n is the rotation or speed of the left sun gear, and capital N is the rpm of the vehicle. So then he is asking the difference in the resultant speed of the left and right wheels. This is a good question. It is 2n. Next question. A differential lock, once again it's a good question. A differential lock with a differential is provided for. Is it in the jamming situations, or is it in the skidding situations, or is it in the slipping situations? Or to confuse you more, he may ask you, or he may give the D bit as overturning situations, right? Which is your answer? It is actually a differential lock with differential is provided for slipping situations. Your answer is C. Okay boys, right. Next, in case of automobiles, the weight of the body and load due to occupants is transmitted to the axle casing in the rear axle through. So which are the parts responsible for transmitting the load? that is weight of the body, and load due to occupants. It is transmitted to the axial casing in the rear axle through which of the parts? Is it springs or diaphragms or trusses or struts? So all are look like the same thing, right? But it is actually the persons or students who study the textbooks basically, right? So thoroughly they can only answer this question. So I have set the questions in such a standard that they are very above your AMV questions, which are likely to be asked in your examination after thoroughly studying the three important books for your AMV examination for APPSC and TSPSC, that is IC Engines by V Ganeshan and also Kripal Singh Volume 1, Volume 2 Automobile Engineering. So here the answer is springs. It is transmitted through the springs. Next question, boys. In the Hotchkiss drive of rear axle, the loads taken by springs are, let us say, number 1 weight of the body, number 2 torque, number 3 driving thrust, number 4 side thrust. Now what is the answer? So what is your answer? It is actually weight, driving thrust, side thrust and torque. So that means all 4. Your answer is C. Next question, boys. In the following axles, the loads taken by the axial shaft in the full floating axle, so it is misprinted. In the full floating axles, the load or loads taken by the axial shaft is or are. Is it all the loads, or is it driving torque? Is it only driving torque and all the bending moments, or is it shear forces and the end thrust caused by side forces? The answer here in this question is in the full floating axles, the load taken by the axial shaft is only just the driving torque. Your answer is B. Next question, boys. For the last question today for the boys. Okay, in non-floating axle, the axial shaft takes. Now, so just now I have mentioned all the different types of loads a vehicle can take. So which loads or load it can take? That is the non-floating axle. The axial shaft takes. Is it that the all loads, or is it that it will take no load at all, or is it will take only bending moments, or is it take only end thrust? Actually, in the non-floating axle, the axial shaft takes all the types of loads which were mentioned above. That means your answer is A. Okay, boys. Once again, my request, boys, so if you feel that really you are empowering your knowledge, okay, something like in your Jati Ratnalu, right, empowering your knowledge, so please like my channel, comment and share and subscribe and share among your groups and contacts, boys. So I have made my channel, you can see all these about more than 80 videos for your AMV examination, number of videos for your APPSC, TSPSC, AEE, AE examination also there, and some videos for GATE also there. So please go through them and improve your knowledge, empower your knowledge. Okay, if you feel that they are really helping your subject to improve, or increase your subject, or revising your subject, or thoroughly, or even starting from the fundamentals, so please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Once again, wish you all the best, and please, boys, don't pause the video actually, and also press the bell icon so that you will be updated about the videos which I will be uploading onto our YouTube channel. Okay, boys. So once again, wish you good luck, and in the next video we are going to meet with again some more number of questions. Almost your number of bits are almost about to be completed. I have almost completed, so we will be discussing almost 10 bits per day. So it is almost your material for this 1000 question bank is almost at the end of the preparation. So those who are in need of these 1000 questions, okay, which are made purely or according to your syllabus, so please put a mail to me, that is your sridhar.bpelli@gmail.com, SRIDHAR sridhar.bpelli BPELLI SRIDHAR.BPELLI@gmail.com, so that I will respond to you immediately and you can get the bits and you practice these bits. Okay, once again my advice is that, so first of all, please, this will be aiding your knowledge, this will be increasing your knowledge, this will be strengthening your knowledge, my videos. Okay, definitely. So this question bank also, right? So first of all, read the textbooks which are very important for your examination, that is your IC Engines by V Ganeshan and also Kripal Singh, the excellent books, volume 1 and volume 2. Don't worry for the edition. Okay, you can take even the 1, 2, 3 years back editions also, right? So almost entire syllabus is covered. right. Shortly I will be making videos for your TSPSC syllabus also, right. TSPSC people, students can also benefit for about 40 to 50% of the syllabus, right. So if you are in need of this question bank, okay, so please put a mail, I will immediately respond. So please give your WhatsApp number, immediately I will send. Okay, so this is only costing very, I have put a very nominal cost, boys. Okay, so approximately just 1,000 rupees for the entire question bank with your solutions also, right. So once again, wish you good luck, all the best, and start your preparations immediately. Don't delay, and start your preparations. Once the examination comes, once the notification comes, there will not be any time. So later, please don't repent. Okay, so if you are realizing that it is very important examination, those were the candidates who are very serious about this examination, start your preparations and go ahead and wait for the notifications. Once it comes, if it gets delayed, you will have lot of time for revision also, right. So if you are in need of coaching, please contact me without any hesitation. Once again, good luck to you all.